In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Systeme.io. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each core tool does, and how to get your first funnel and follow-up emails ready to go, all in a simple, repeatable way. Start by logging into your Systeme.io account. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard, which is your home base. Take a moment to scan the main sections. Funnels is where you build the journey that turns visitors into leads or customers. Emails is where you create the follow-up messages that nurture those leads. Courses lets you host content for online programs. And automations helps connect actions together behind the scenes. Even if you're new, a quick look around will make the next steps feel much more familiar. Head over to Funnels and click Create to start a new sales or lead funnel. Choose the option that matches your goal, collecting emails for a newsletter or promoting a specific offer. You'll see a variety of templates designed for opt-ins, sales pages, and thank you pages. Pick one that fits your style and open it in the drag and drop editor. Here, you can change headlines, colors, and images, and rearrange sections by simply grabbing and moving blocks. Keep your message clear and your design consistent with your brand. If you add buttons, set their action to move visitors to the next step of the funnel. Use the preview to check how everything looks on desktop and mobile, and keep your text focused on the benefit your audience cares about most. Next, go to the email section to set up your follow-up sequence. Create a sequence and add emails that welcome new subscribers, deliver the promised resource, and guide them toward your next step. Schedule delays between messages so you don't overwhelm subscribers. Spacing them by a day or two often works well. Write in a friendly, helpful tone, include one clear call to action per message, and keep subject lines short and specific so they stand out in the inbox. If you're selling something, you can add products, courses, or memberships as needed. For products, define what you're offering and the price. For courses, organize your content into modules and lessons, keeping each lesson focused and easy to follow. If you run a membership, set up the area where members can access exclusive content. Connect these items to the relevant pages in your funnel so new customers know exactly where to go next. That's it. You've logged in, explored the dashboard, built a funnel, customized your pages, set up email follow-ups, and added your offers. Save your work, and you're ready to grow.